Hi. Today we're going to be making slime. You can make two different kinds of slime. The green one and the white one. They both do not have food coloring in them. So, okay. You could use food coloring if you want, but you don't have to. So, first we'll do the green one. First you use baking soda or any kind of other. I have Arm & Hammer, which works the best. Then you use aloe vera, which gives it the color. If you want, you can do a green aloe vera, or there's blue and then there's white. If you want color, you use the green or the blue. Sorry, that's my brother. Okay, and then you mix it up with your hands. And I already did this, so I'm not going to make another one, but you mix it up with your hands, and this is how it turns out. And it's very safe. It's not like you're going to get hurt. You're not going to get, well, you won't get hurt, but it's all things that you stick on your skin. Okay, so this one, you use baking soda again. Then you use dishwashing detergent. That one, once you mix it up, it won't become that color that you have. It'll become plain white. But you want to put a lot of baking soda into this one, or it'll all just like fall apart immediately. Yeah, so that's this one. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked it.